men. And I use the term in a manly way today. Hey, welcome back to the KHK project. Alright, let's see if the manifold nuts come off. Tighter than I thought it was going to be. Fuck. Well, these are going to be a bitch. Damn. 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 Sons of bitches are on there tight. Damn. God damn. Fuck. Was not expecting this, let me tell you. One's loose. Two are loose. Damn, that was a lot tougher than I thought it was going to be. That was rough, but success. My two favorite words. Okay, after the manifold nut wrestling match, cylinder base nuts ought to be easy. Liquid wrench. There's a couple of these you can't get to easily. Oh, there we go. Spinning off with my fingers. That's what I like. All right, one ready to come off. Two ready to come off. Boy, rod bearings don't feel bad. Actually, the rear rod feels real good. Front rod is maybe just a tad loose. Piston skirts are all scratched up. Okay, for the record, this was broke already. Oh, interesting. On these older engines, some of the studs and bolts, well, some of the studs are alignment studs and they're press fit. Like this one, this is an alignment stud, and it is a light press fit in that hole. And once again, I'm just lazy. The right side should pull off fairly easily, should. Got a little gaposis going on. You've got to strike judiciously. Things break. Let's turn it on its side and lift it up off there. Beautiful. All right, let's get the flywheels out of the crankcase. I usually don't do them in a hydraulic press. I got a tool I use, but the tool picks up these 3 screws. Well, I got alignment pins where they're supposed to be screws, plus the early covers. These wouldn't have been drilled for the screws anyway. Needless to say, if you're not careful, you could bust a crankcase. And I've seen some crankcases broken. I've seen some crankcases broken in this area from people pushing out sprocket shafts that didn't want to come out. So I hope this comes out easy. Oh yeah, it's moving already. Beautiful. And the flywheels are going to drop about maybe an inch and hit the press. Beautiful. That worked out as well as could be expected. Great. All right, so here's the down and dirty check. And it is dirty too, it's all oily. Before I take the flywheels apart, just to help me anticipate whether there will be future problems, I throw them on the truing stand, and this is as removed from the motor. We got about a minus 3.5 to a plus 2, so a little over 5, maybe. Well, let's see. Probably about 5 thousandths out around. Not horrible, but not good. So what I've got to do now is I've got to take these apart and I've got to check the run out of each shaft individually, because if a shaft is twisted a little bit, I'll never be able to bring it in true. So I got to start out with shafts that are true. That's the next step. All right, let's take these apart. Feels about right. Okay, rods don't look bad. They do look like they'll need a little lapping. At least that one does. So does this one. Nothing horrible yet. Oh, that was loose. Jesus. Really loose. Alright, take these out to the lathe and we'll do the run out on the shafts. That is damn good. This shaft is fine and won't need to be replaced. Okay, same setup as before. Let's see if the sprocket shaft is straight enough to use. Put a little preload on it. Let's see how this one makes out. Damn. That's really good. Okay, so the couple of thou, actually the 5 or 6 thou run out I saw on the flywheels was just due to incorrect assembly as far as truing is concerned. The shafts are both good. That's good news for the owner. So theoretically, I could probably put this all back together again today if I was motivated, but I'm not. Anyway, 2 good shafts. Good to know.